But I realize that adherence is a comorbidity, but most clinicians actually don't recognize it as such.
Position that we've had on the series. And I know that you are very sensitive to the importance of addressing patient behavior. So my question to you is, what do you think is the best way to inform physicians about the problems surrounding adherence?
It's a really good question, Kevin. And my experience as a clinician has taught me several things, is that especially in my area of expertise, which is asthma, where we're unpicking somebody's asthma or asserting the reasons why it might be bad, there are usually multiple things that are often provoking it, such as comorbidities, obesity, gastroesophageal reflux, sinus disease, and all of those. And as a clinician, we often try and pick them out and then give them the appropriate treatment. But I realize that adherence is a comorbidity, but most clinicians actually don't recognize it as such. They can tell you about all the other comorbidities in asthma, but when you asked about adherence, whether it's an asthma or any other condition, we don't really know about it. And so therefore, by recognizing that adherence is a really poorly taught phenomenon, certainly in medical and healthcare professional education, it makes you think, well, the way to address it is largely through education. So I believe that we need to change the way we approach adherence throughout our whole educational system. So I think, it should be a core curriculum in our undergraduate education, all healthcare professionals who are going to be dealing with patients and medicines. So whatever walk of life, whether you're a pharmacist or a physiotherapist or anybody who's going to be prescribing medication, is really important to understand that making sure that medicines work is not writing the prescription. That's the easy bit. The hard bit is recognizing what drugs to give our patients, but ensure that they're given the right support to be able to take the inhalers properly. So I think education is key, but also education that then needs to be physically available commonly. So I think digital as a means of adopting and transfusing that sort of knowledge around adherence is important. And part of that process is understanding how can digital help adherence. And the key is recognizing the problem, quantifying the problem, understanding what components of the problems are by using interrogative digital questions and techniques, and then being able to use that sort of digital means to try and change people's often perceptions that belie non-adherence as well. So I think digital and education are key things to inform physicians and healthcare professionals about adherence.